It's not luck. It's not secret indicators. And it's definitely not copying random trades from social media. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to becoming a profitable stock trader. Step by step. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Understand what profitable trading really means. Before we talk strategies, let's define profitability. Being profitable doesn't mean winning every trade. Even great traders only win 50 to 60% of the time. Legendary investor Warren Buffett once emphasized the importance of risk control over chasing returns. The goal isn't constant winning. It's protecting capital and compounding steadily. Profitable trading equals average wins bigger than losses. Strict risk management. Long-term consistency. Step 2. Master risk management, the real secret. If you ignore everything else in this video, remember this. Risk management determines survival. Professional traders rarely risk more than 1 to 2% of their account per trade. Why? Because even with 5 losses in a row, they're still in the game. Inspired by traders like Jesse Livermore. Successful traders cut losses quickly and let winners run. Key rules. Always use a stop loss. Never revenge trade. Protect capital first, profit second. Without capital, you can't trade. Step 3. Focus on one strategy, not 10. Most beginners fail because they jump between strategies. Profitable traders. Master one setup. Track their data. Improve slowly. Examples of profitable strategies. Breakout trading. Pullback trading. Trend following setups. Support and resistance bounces. Pick one. Backtest it. Track results for 50 to 100 trades. Consistency beats complexity. Step 4. Control your psychology. Trading is 80% psychology. Fear causes early exits. Greed causes oversized positions. Ego causes revenge trading. The market doesn't care about your opinion. To stay disciplined, follow a written trading plan. Journal every trade. Review weekly performance. Accept losses calmly. Professionals think in probabilities, not emotions. Step 5. Treat trading like a business. Would you open a restaurant without a plan? Trading is no different. You need a defined edge, risk rules, capital allocation strategy, performance tracking, monthly review process. Track metrics like win rate, risk-to-reward ratio, average gain versus average loss, maximum drawdown. Businesses track numbers. Traders should too. Common mistakes to avoid. Overtrading. Trading without a plan. Risking too much per trade. Copying influencers blindly. Ignoring market conditions. Most traders fail not because they lack knowledge but because they lack discipline. To sum it up, to become a profitable stock trader. 1. Protect capital. 2. Risk small. 3. Master one strategy. 4. Control emotions. 5. Track everything. 6. Stay patient. Profitability isn't built in a week. It's built through repetition, discipline, and controlled risk. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your view.